Welcome to our projection of plane. So today the problem with circular plates. So in problem statements, we say our circular plate resting on HP. So we have the circular plate here. It is resting on HP. So when I see the top view, it is a true shape of the given plates as a circle with given dimension. But your elevation, it is the line on XY. Now your circular plates inclined to HP, the elevation, it is inclination line, but the top view, it is not the circle, either it is an ellipse. So the top view of the plates, it is a surface, but it is not exactly circle. The true shape of the plate, it is going to change in my top view when the plate inclined to HP. So first, friends, we draw the true shape of the circular plates with 30 mm radius on our HP plane. So always in my first angle system, the HP plane, it is below XY line. So I draw the circular plates as a circle. It is a true shape on HP plane. Now we divide this circle in number of 8 parts. You can take the 45-degree inclination here on both sides and you divide your circle in number of 8 parts. Now we give the name of the points on periphery. So it is my A point as a plan, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now we take the vertical projection. Because the plate on HP, always the elevation of the plates on XY line. So we take the vertical projection from each point and we mark our elevation point on XY line. So this is our A dash, then B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash and H dash. And you can represent your elevation on XY line. Now your plates, it is inclined to HP 45 degree and perpendicular to VP with the one point A on HP plane. So first I mark the A dash on XY line. At the A dash, I take the 45-degree projection, inclination. On this inclination, we are going to arrange our true length of first stage elevation. So I take the radius A dash to E dash, center A dash, I draw the arc. So this is my E dash point. Similarly, I mark the center point. So for that we choose the radius A dash to C dash, center A dash, I draw the arc. So it is our C dash, G dash. Then you can take the A dash to B dash, center A dash, you can draw the arc. So you have the B dash, H dash. Your surface inclined to HP 45 degree. Similarly, from corner point E dash, you can draw the arc where you have the D dash, F dash. So now we arrange our circular plates inclined to HP 45 degree. Now what is my top view? So we move to downward direction from all the points. And we know the plate inclined to HP, the top view, it is a surface. So for our surface, we take the horizontal projection from previous plan. Again we mark our points. So this is my A dash, A. This is our B point, plan point. It is our C point. This is your D point. The D, D dash. This is our E. It is your F, G, and H. Now you join all the points with a smooth curves, because when you work with a circular plates, that case we join the point with a smooth curves. So here your top view, it is looking slightly elliptical shape when your plates incline to HP and perpendicular to VP. Thank you for attending the online class.